Hello there, KellyQ204 here. In today's podcast/video is a review of the Great Train Robbery Movies. I'm gonna start off with the one that came out in 2013. This version is a two-part BBC TV series.
That don't look like 400 grand.
Next job, we go bigger.
This version came out in 1978. This is based off of a novel by Michael Crichton. Michael Crichton also directed the movie as well.
Sir, can you possibly explain why you went to such incredible lengths to commit this astounding crime? I wanted the money.
Here is the 1903's version of the Great Train Robbery. And this movie also sparked the whole genre of Western movies. Thank you so much for watching/listening, and have a good day.